Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hate to sound pushy, but if you enjoy this kind of content, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Your support means a lot and helps me keep going, so thank you in advance. To make your game development smoother, I've prepared a resource pack for you. It includes sprite frames for the dinosaur, a background and sniper scope. You will find the download link in the description. Just click it and grab everything you need. Okay, now let's import our Dino sprite and the background into Scratch. We can delete our cat as usually and upload our own sprite by this button, upload sprite. Okay, our Dino is here. We can set up a new size by 50, for example, and choose a awesome backdrop. Upload backdrop, and cheerful background is already here, but we can stretch it as well because it's too small to use it. Okay, now it looks wonderful. I prepared both of Dino and backdrop by myself, and all of them were generated with the help of AI Copilot, so they are completely free to use. You probably remember that the default cat sprite in Scratch already has some costumes, so we are going to load all our Dino frames into one sprite by this button. Choose a costume and upload a costume. Let's check our second and choose our third and the last one, image part 4. So here we go. Our Dino is already done. He is ready to attack. Static images? Boring. Let's bring this to life. We will use clones to animate the action. So every second we will create a clone, repeat 10 times, wait 1 second, and create clone of our main Dino. And we will define what each clone should do. When I start as a clone is here. So use this block, and then we need to set a position, a coordinates for our clones that will be appearing through the sky, or maybe just on the top level of this picture. Okay, go to and some coordinates. Let's see. If we move our Dino a bit higher, we can see Y coordinate 56 or maybe 77. Let's imagine 55 coordinate for Y axis, and go to X. We can define like pick random from minus 200 to 200 as well, but positive number. Okay, now we can add as well forever loop and next costume, and every, where it is, okay, every 0 point how faster is it 1 seconds, our Dino will be animating. So it's already okay, but if we now start our game again, what we can see? Let's start it, and now again, so we can see and just take a look. 10 of dinos. Oh yes, okay, we can drag and drop it, and the whole army, like on preview video, they are attacking us as a users. Okay, now let's change y by -10. So change y by not in that way, -10. And if let's check another block, if stop it. Okay, if then will be operators, our y position is less than -100, our clone just disappear, so we delete this clone. And let's test it again. Yep, our dinosaurs are attacking their spawn in different places, and then go to the bottom of our picture, of our canvas. And when y position, if we can take our dino and set it on the bottom of our canvas, we can see a coordinate. So -100, it's a position when our dino is disappear. So here is a little problem. We don't wanna see a main character, yeah? We want to see only clones. So if we hide this sprite on this, we can click on this eye and test it again. It seems nothing is processing, but it's a mistake. We need to show our clones. Yep, we are copy paste our main character, and therefore we copy its character like he is transparent. So let's see here, show block, and now our dinos are spawning and they are all showing. That's the first part of this game. Now you can run the project, you can enjoy it, but our work isn't over. So I already have a few ideas on how to level this up, but no spoilers for now. We have just built a solid foundation for our Dino shooter, and I hope you had fun. Leave a comment about what features you'd like to see next, and I'll try to include them in the upcoming videos. This was me, IT Elephant, signing off. See you in the next one.